are now in Circus Hotel. So hotel name is Circus Circus, right?
Yeah. Circus times 2.
So that's the buffet area. That's their little fake casino in the hotel, right? That's their casino.
I'm sure, yeah, but
That's
they have...
really tiny.
No, they have several.
Well, it's kind of old.
It's ghetto.
It's kind of old
Ghetto
and ghetto,
fabulous.
but there are some fun things here.
Make sure you don't knock anybody over with your camera.
Yeah, that would be a scene. So that's, ladies and gentlemen, is Circus Circus.
Good job.
Look, this lady looks pissed. She lost some money.
They all look kind of pissed. Okay, slots,
That guy
clubs,
looks happy.
race. How the hell do you get out? Oh, there's the circus act he was talking about. He said it's over.
So now we are entering the area where they do act, like every 4-6 hours in Circus Circus Hotel. So this is the area for free. You can come and enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, we're showing you
That's just the McDonald's.
exclusive view of inside of Circus Circus Hotel.
We have to come back. He said 1:30 they do the show again.
So will they allow if people are not staying here to look at the show?
Yeah, that's the whole point of Vegas. You go to each hotel and look at what they have.
The amazing Noelia.
So this is the main entrance, inside of the main entrance of Hotel Circus Circus. Now we're gonna show you. Okay, this is the outside of Hotel Circus Circus.
It's not too cold, right?
It's fine, yeah. But maybe we are hiding underneath the building. Can you believe it? Vegas is cold.
All open space.
Okay, Yasmin is starving, so we're finding a place to have
What
a
do you
meal.
mean I'm starving? Like you're not?
I'm okay because I'm a strong man,
Yeah, right.
but I don't mind a nice piece of steak. So we're just crossing this Conrad by Hilton. I'm going towards the middle of strip. So we have a special door for us.
Yes.
You don't have to go
VIP.
through the rolling,
Yes.
especially when you're drunk. That can be lethal.
We're VIP.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll come shop here tomorrow, like I do.
Yeah, if you buy anything from here, we'll have to sell ourselves, like maybe lung or something like kidney.
Yeah, it's good to donate.
So in Las Vegas, if you can't walk, you should.
Not come.
If you wanna still come, and if you can walk, you should get yourself an EUC or or some kind of electric vehicle.
That's what we're gonna do tomorrow night.
And tomorrow I'm gonna record entire strip on my EUC. So everything is closed at the moment because they knew I'm coming.
Shouldn't they open stuff up if they know you're coming? Did they close it because they were like, we know what a big spender he is.
Yep. I'm willing to sell my kidney, no problem.
I don't even think your kidney would get you like the battery of a Rolex.
Maybe that's Asian kidney, very expensive. Very expensive. You can put as much as alcohol as you can.
Asian kidney is even worse. What do you think of that dress?
Yeah, she doesn't have legs.
It's not as packed as you would imagine.
Yeah, because maybe it's Thursday.
No,
That's
Thursday is
what-
like party day, but
Let's go that
I
side.
think it's COVID.
Because of COVID. But no problem.
That's the other thing. Like mask is a big
COVID
thing.
is like they don't want your face in the video. We should be being nice and we should be wearing masks.
Yeah, we know better. We're from the UK.
You get spoiled when you like get
Isn't
blipped.
it pretty? It's like we're in our own private forest.
Yeah. So every hotel has casinos inside.
Yes, that's why it's called Vegas.
Yeah, and every casino has some losers and some winners.
Thank you for stating the obvious. You're so intelligent, sir. That's nice.
That is casino. Now we're gonna show you the other side. Look, there's a bride and groom. Look,
Oh, that's
I
cute.
think there's wedding or something.
There's always a wedding in Vegas. We're the only ones not
And
participating.
some people are fixing the machines.
Shall we go to the high limits class later, like, you know,
Yeah, that's
we're
where
like,
I wanted to
yeah,
go.
because we're like ballers.
Because I don't want no limit.
Yeah. Let's get the entrance as well. Can we go out from here?
No, it's the same thing. We are confident, nobody stops you.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's the same. But baby, look. I think this is all Italian themed. The Wynn. So the Wynn and Encore are like best friends, and then Palazzo and Venetian are BFFs.